Hi, so I've just stopped halfway on my walk just for a quick brew, and I thought I'd take you through some of the process. So here's everything I need for a quick brew. I just get it set up and then I'll show you it once it starts to boil. So the Trangia is a light. You probably won't see it, but it's definitely a light there. Let's just get... So I've got the pot stand and the windbreak round it. Let's put the pot on. And the lid. And that's it. This shouldn't take too long to boil, and then I just get my coffee ready. So the coffee I'm using is Mocate Gold, and it's a cappuccino mix. I got this from Home Bargains, which is a shop in the UK. And I quite like this because it's an all-in-one. It's a little bit sweet. I don't normally have sugar in my coffee, but it's good to give me a bit of extra oomph halfway through the walk. So just to go through my kit, I've got a Trangia burner with a small cross bracket. I'm not sure, that was from AliExpress. I've got a Lixada screen, that was also from AliExpress. Then I've got a Life Systems collapsible cup and a Light My Fire spork. And then to light it, I use a Zippo, and this is one of my favorites with a double burner. Hopefully you can see that. So it's got a double burner butane insert. And that's it really. I carry a small amount of meths in an old shower gel, which is perfect for this, and you can pour it out. And then I use just an old water bottle just to carry the water. So it shouldn't take too long to come to the boil. So I carried all of my stuff in this Euro Hike ratio 18. So it's an 18-litre rucksack. It's got a couple of pockets in, which is good. I'll do a separate video on it if you're interested. This is an alternative to my sling, and at some point I'd like to do a sling versus rucksack just for these little short walk carries. And the key thing I think is to make sure you're not carrying too much stuff. So I've just got the bare minimum here, which is really just my mini brew kit. So that's the Euro Hike ratio 18. Nice little rucksack, super light, easy to carry, and yeah, I'll do a full video on it later. So it's still going. We've only been going a couple of minutes really. Just one of the things to watch with this setup is that these handles can get really hot, so it's good to have a handkerchief or some other cloth just to hold the handles while I pour it into the mug. Yeah, it's starting to heat up. Just while that's boiling, I'll just show you where I am, and I've just stopped at one of the locks. Now there might be a bit of wind noise, we'll see how it works out. So this is one of the locks on the Worcestershire Canal near where I live, and it's about 3 kilometers from where I live, so it's a nice 6-kilometer walk. Right, I think we're just about at the boil. That's good. So let me just take this off. Now, being careful about how I hold this so I don't set fire to it. And let's see if I can blow out the meths. Yeah. So let's get the water in. Give it a quick stir. I'll have to check to see what's in this, because I don't know what they have to make it froth. I'll just top it up. And there we go. An instant sweet cappuccino. So Cheers everyone, and hope you like this video. Keep watching for some more views of the canal, and why not leave a comment, especially if you'd like me to do more of these videos.